Hi, Zoe.
Hi, Ben.
I have a problem.
What problem?
My library book is due.
Due means today.
Due today?
Yes, today.
What if I'm late?
Then it's overdue.
Overdue is bad?
Not bad, just late.
I want to return it.
Return means give back.
Give back.
Yes, return.
Can you help me?
Of course.
Where is the library?
Across town.
We should hurry.
Hurry means go fast.
Let's go now.
Yes, now.
Where are you going?
Library!
Take an umbrella.
Good idea.
Is it raining?
Look outside.
Wow. Big rain.
Big rain means heavy rain.
We can still go.
Yes, we can. How do we go? By bus.
I don't take buses.
Today you do.
Okay. I'm ready.
Great!
My shoes are wet.
Wet means not dry.
Not dry. Wet.
Yes.
I see the bus stop.
Good, we're close.
Is the bus late?
Maybe. We wait.
I'm cold.
Cold means not warm.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
What time does it close?
The library closes soon.
Soon?
Soon means in a short time.
Okay, hurry!
Yes, hurry.
Here comes the bus!
Great!
What do I say?
Say, 1 ticket, please.
1 ticket, please.
Perfect.
Do I need coins?
Exact change is best.
Exact change.
Yes. No waiting.
I only have a big bill.
A bill is paper money.
Is that okay?
We can ask.
Can you break this?
Break means make smaller.
Oh, the driver can't.
Then we figure it out. Yeah.
Figure it out.
Yes. We find a way. I have coins.
You saved me. I will pay you back.
Pay back means return money.
Thank you, Zoe.
No problem.
Where do we sit?
Any seat is fine.
I like the window.
Window seat. Good.
Now we ride.
Yes. We ride.
This bus is noisy.
Noisy means loud.
Loud. Noisy.
Yes. When do we get off? At the next big stop.
Okay, I'm excited. Get off.
Yes, leave the bus.
The rain makes it shiny.
Yeah, let's go.
I might miss it.
Don't worry.
I see tall buildings.
That's downtown.
Downtown.
Yes.
Where is the library?
Across from the park.
Across from the park.
Good!
What if it's far?
It's a short walk.
Short walk.
Yes, not long.
My book is getting wet.
Put it in your bag.
Good idea.
Always protect books.
I feel better.
Better means improved.
Is this our stop?
Not yet.
Not yet.
Good.
I'm learning fast.
You're learning well.
What is transfer?
Transfer means change buses.
Do we transfer?
No, one bus today.
Great!
Less confusion.
The rain is stronger.
Stronger means more.
We must hurry more.
Yes, hurry.
Next stop.
Yes, get ready.
I will get off here.
Yes, with me.
Excuse me.
That's polite.
Excuse me, please.
Perfect.
Thanks, I appreciate it.
No problem.
We're off the bus.
Now we walk.
My umbrella is flipping.
Wind is strong.
Strong wind.
Yes.
Where now?
Across from the park.
I see the park.
Library is across from it.
Is that the library?
Yes, that building.
Let's cross.
Cross means go to the other side.
Other side.
Yes.
I'm slipping!
Careful. Slipping means sliding.
Sliding.
Yes. Walk slowly.
We made it!
Good job.
The door is big.
Entrance is here.
Entrance.
Yes.
It's quiet.
Quiet means not loud.
Not loud. Quiet.
Exactly.
Should we whisper?
Yes. Whisper means speak softly.
Softly.
Good.
Where do we return books?
At the desk.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Hello, kids.
I need to return this.
Sure. Where is the return slot?
Right there. Return slot?
A slot is a small opening.
I put it in? Yes, gently.
Done!
You returned it on time.
Not overdue.
Not overdue.
Can I borrow a new book?
Of course. Borrow means take?
Take, then return later.
I want a funny book.
Let's find one.
So many books.
So many means a lot.
A lot.
Yes.
This one is big.
Big can be heavy.
Heavy!
Yes, heavy.
I want an easy book.
Easy means not difficult.
What is your favorite?
Favorite means you like it most.
Like it most.
Yes.
I like animals.
Let's get an animal book.
This one!
Good choice.
Now what?
We need your library card.
Uh-oh, I can't find it.
Find means locate.
Is it lost?
Lost means you don't know where it is.
I lost my card.
Stay calm.
What do we do?
We figure it out. Excuse me, Ms. Maple?
Yes?
Ben lost his card.
We can help. Check your pockets. Check means look inside.
I checked. Not there.
Check again.
Maybe it's in my bag.
Let's see.
I see snacks.
Not the card.
Oh no.
Don't panic.
Do you have your name?
Yes.
We can look it up.
Look it up means search.
So I can borrow?
Yes, with ID later.
But I want my card.
Let's think. Where did you last see it?
At home. In my raincoat?
Yes, check the raincoat.
Pocket!
Pocket is a small cloth space.
I found it!
Yes, found means not lost.
I'm so happy.
Me too.
Now I can borrow.
Yes, let's go.
Excuse me.
Hello again.
I want to borrow this book.
Great choice.
And this one, please.
Sure. Please return them on time.
On time, not overdue. When are they due?
Next week.
Due next week.
Next week.
Yes.
I will return them.
Return means give back.
We should go home.
Yes, it's still raining.
We need the bus.
Bus stop is across from the park.
Ticket again?
Yes, one ticket.
Do you have exact change?
Yes.
Today I learned a lot.
You did!
Due means today.
Overdue means late.
Return means give back.
Borrow means take and return later.
Hurry means go fast.
Quiet means not loud.
Whisper means speak softly.
Yes.
Figure it out means find a solution.
Great!
See you next time. Remember to subscribe to the channel.
See you. Leave a comment and like.